2500 tick trap.
Panda, 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 panda,
2500 tick
panda.
trap.
Sorry for the late start. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. We're back at it again. Trading in Nascraq every single day, pandas. Every single day. Market about to open in 30 seconds. We got some wild movement currently. Big up, big down. What in the world's happening? Nobody knows. Good morning, everybody. All I know, pandas, is we're going to get our bamboo. Good morning, good morning. Drop those GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button. Market's about to open. 10 seconds. Kevin Mack, good morning. Turtle Toes, good morning. Albert M.O., good morning. Blue Steel, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Come back down. Making a beeline to fill the gap. I just need 50 bambaroonies. Slight pullback. Can I get my 50 bambaroonies here? $50 bambaroonies without too much of a... Oh, wow. One more time. All right, let's go to 50 bambaroonies is all we're asking for. And wham, we're getting destroyed again today. 2 trades in a row. Just trying to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. We got just hit 2. Wow, every time it pushes down. I'm going long now, pandas. This is ridiculous. I mean, I guess one more time. Or should I just go long? Forget it. Oh, I can't even get long. This is crazy. Oh! I can't get in this trade! Stupid errors. Wow, I'm done. That was it. That was the move I was waiting for. I couldn't get in. Stop limit orders. A trade copier is the worst enemy. I got that. Dang it, pandas. I mean, 2 trades in a row just trying to fill the gap. That's the kind of day we're having. It's already ridiculous. Make a beeline, fill the gap, don't fill it. Like, we just don't fill gaps. We just don't hit any more targets anymore. The market hates making targets. 40 bajillion bull bars in a row. It's looking quite bullish now. Wow, so frustrating. I just need one more day of $50 or more bamboo, pandas. That's all I need to get payouts. I need a 30K payout. Request it today if I can. But I need $50 or more today, pandas. That's all I need. $50 or more. I had 2 easy trades coming to fill the gap. Could not do it. Could not do it, though, pandas. I'm going to go long if I can. limit order trades right now. All limit orders. Super strong bull bar ending on its high. Multiple bull bars in a row. Only one red bar in the last like 15 bars. It's looking pretty bullish. If this is a red bar, most likely zero follow through. Red bar. Man, dojing on the 5-minute chart. Wow, actually decent push down. What is happening, pandas? I just need $50 today. That's all I'm looking for, pandas. Can we not bust? That's all I'm asking. Can we not bust our accounts one day? One time. Please. Please. Wow, both trades trying to fill the gap. Could not do it. Pretty decent, strong pullback. If we're going to fill the gap now, it's a pretty decent pullback before doing it. Pretty strong pullback, in fact. Lots of bull bars here. Lots of pandas. Drop those GMs in chat. Luis, good morning. Roger Sang, welcome. Ralph Gruns, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Decent pullback on this uptrend if it is on. Feels like trading range. Decent, like currently. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Follow through. One more. Wow. Big push up. Right, this strong move up wanted some follow through, and we're getting it. A little bit of a higher low, maybe. Just give me something. It's just first entry beneath the 20 minute. It's just going in and out of 20 minutes. Very difficult to predict it that long, but some people did. Okay, breaking out now. Okay, maybe making trading range. Strong bull bars all the way up though. This is looking pretty bullish to me, right? Got lots of bull bars here, lots of bull bars here. We're above also the previous day's high. The only issue is we didn't fill the gap here. There's business left unfinished. Unfinished business. Pandas! I just need one more day of 50 bamboo or more. Need one more day. That's all I'm asking for. Is today going to be the day? We're going to take one contract trade. Let's get it, pandas. Let's get it. You know what's what I've realized, pandas? When you chase losses and then you start like increasing your contract sizes, like the root cause of that for me is like pain. It just hurts too much to know I'm red. So I'm gonna do whatever I can to get out of that red, even if it means more pain. I realize that, pandas. Feels like entry long. I'll try get back to fill the gap here. No problem about that. I still feel okay filling the gap here. Maybe trading range coming to the bottom to top. Back to the top, right? We're back at the bottom. Maybe back to the top. Maybe okay trade to go long here, but beneath the 20 MA, going in and out of the 20 MA. Let's try. Let's try. Okay, we're going to try to fill the gap here if we can. We're going to try to fill the gap here if we can. Small stop losses every trade, pretty much. Feels like entry long does trigger here. If we get a nice push down to fill the gap, that would be excelente. Can we get it though, pandas? Is the question. Just trying to fill the gap here. I mean, the gap is down here, actually. Time to get greedy? Time to get greedy? Or I just want $50 or more? Is that all I'm asking for? Let it cook? I think I just want $50 or more. Is that not all I need to and I'll trade micros after that? Just give me $50 or more and I'll trade micros after that. We certainly want to fill the gap. Might make a double bottom on the 5-minute chart. Micro double bottom. I may not be allowed to take my risk off here. I may have to take the full risk. Unfortunately, here. I may have to take the full risk here. I don't think it'll allow me to take my risk off. Having a hard time making like a it's a 20-point move. It's pretty far actually for today's market. Okay. I could maybe take the risk off now. I still think I need to let it cook a little bit. Maybe some support on the higher time frames right here. I'm keen on filling the gap here, but I don't know. Maybe not. Let this play out, I guess. Let it play out. Just a 1-to-1 is made at least. Get a lower high. I think that's enough. That's a green light for me to maybe take my risk off
2500
here.
tick trap.
Green light for me to take my risk off. Hard time reaching the previous day's close here. We're going to do it, I think. We're going to do it in spectacular fashion as well. I think I'm good there because I made 200, right? I'm 200. Pandas! I'm like so scared. Like I just will never hit my targets ever again in my entire life. I just, it's just like I've been trapped, bamboozled too many times in the last 3 weeks that like I've tried to just wait to fill the gap or fill like super key areas, super obvious areas, and we just don't hit them. We just like bounce off of them like a tick before we get them, and so I'm just like I'm kind of shell shocked because of that. So I got a little bit early. But the whole point, Pandas, is that we're up $50 or more. That's all that matters. And now we are well into getting our bamboo again on these 11 accounts. So that's 30K in the bag, right? This small trade here, actually, it's not a bad trade. How many points is it? I mean, I could have held it for 20 if I really wanted to, but I had a different objective in mind, which is essentially to get that payout. But the 5-minute bar does fill the gap finally, right? We closed here yesterday. We opened here today. We finally filled the gap in 2 bars. I mean, we had the super strong bear bar forming and then reverse super hard. It's just so nonsensical, but that's just what the market is right now. But we get the nice setup, fail second entry long. Nice push down to fill the gap. And we're good to go. I mean, Pandas, like, honestly, we're good to go. Now, today's goal is to trade micros. We're going to jump to micros now. And we're going to trade micros only because I'm in probation right now. And I'm only going to trade the 5-minute chart. Right? 5-minute chart, why? It's slower. It's just... the reason why I don't normally trade a 5-minute chart on stream is because it's just... it's not enough opportunity, at least for me, for my short time with you guys. I'm not here very long. Like an hour and a half, that's it. And less than an hour and a half. I'm like basically an hour and 15 minutes. That's all I have with you guys. I'm just trading the opening hour. And the 5-minute like only prints, what, 20 candles at the time? Was it an hour and a half? How many candles is that? Every hour has, what, 60 divided by 5 is 30? Is that 30? No, what am I talking about? 60 divided, it's 12. 12 plus 3, 15. It's 15 candles, Pandas. That's all I get with the 5-minute chart. So that's why I don't just only trade a 5-minute chart. It's just too slow for what we're doing here. But Pandas, we're going to get it. We're trading only micros. It looks like a trading range day currently. It looks like quite a strong trading range day. We can just float here for a long time. But we also had a big bull trend yesterday. Yesterday, if you remember, I said when we were like basically always in long, I bought here. I bought even up here just to buy again down here because I felt like any pullback will be small. And I ended up taking my profits here. I could have held it all day. But Pandas, like I said, once we like started like making this move up and I saw this pullback back to the 20 May, I said we could possibly have seen the low already, right? Like this many candles form, and I said we might have already seen the low of day, and this is it. And I was 100% correct. Was I 100% confident is a question, and the answer was no, obviously, because I took my profits out like halfway through this move. But I mean, I had like 4 contracts at this time. Actually, it was pretty heavy. 4 contracts on the micros is a half. It's like a half a contract. It's not too shabby, if you ask me. Not too shabby. How many points is that? I mean, I mean, we ended up making decent bamboo. We actually made decent bamboo trading micros. Asher says probation until when? I think I might just do it until my payout gets approved. Right, I'm gonna wait till my payouts get approved, and I just trade all my accounts together again. If my payouts get approved, I'll have like $7,000 essentially. Yeah, I'll be like $7,000 up on my accounts. I think I'll just trade them all together after that. I'll trade them all together after that. So I'll have probation probably. So the cadence usually is. There was one time where they actually, the day I requested it, they also approved it. There was a day that happened, Pandas, and I found that to be unbelievable. Like I've never seen them move that fast. But I think like it was like a holiday weekend, and they just wanted to get all the work done or something. I have no idea. But regardless, it is possible to request your payout and get paid out the same day. Like it is possible. Well, let me rephrase that. So basically, like, if I request a payout tonight, that yeah, it probably won't happen. It probably won't happen. I have to wait over the weekend. So most likely it'll get approved on Monday or Tuesday, and once it gets approved, I'll jump back to minis, so we can trade them all our accounts together. Question is, what's going to happen here? Are we going to have a trading range day? Are we going to continue our bull move, right? The daily chart, just a bull bar, continuation of the bull bar, right? Always in long. Is it possible? Right now, currently, it does not look like that's going to be the case. It looks like, if anything, trading range day. I don't know. I mean, we only got the first three bars, the three bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. Clearly above the 20 MA here. And we just fill the gap, and we're bouncing off of it. So this could be low day. We'll see. I need some like strong bull bars. I need us to run away from this move, from this. Another reason why I felt like this was the low of days, because the previous day we just had just insane consolidation. Insane consolidation. It's crazy consolidation. It's just super annoying. And I said the first three candles, would have been a very bullish looking bar on the 15-minute chart. So let me show you the 15-minute chart here. So like you can construct a 15-minute candle with these three bars. So it opens here and closes up here, and this is all a wick. Right? This would all be a wick right here. And it would close like all the way up here. So you have like this really bullish looking bar on the 15-minute chart. So that's why in my mind I was like, all right, this could be really bullish. After coming with that much consolidation yesterday, we're closing above the previous day's high. I just felt like it could be bullish. And that's a 15-minute bar.
2500 tick
Right? That's
trap.
how bullish the 15-minute bar looked. This is your 15-minute bar. Super bullish looking bar on that day, which is why I felt like it could be always in long all day, and I was just buying everything. Okay. Bottom, maybe to the top. I just assumed it was trading range because of the tick charts, right? We already had a lot of price action in tick charts, and it just looks very choppy, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Left, right. A, B, A. So I felt like maybe we could be in trading range. Also, the tap off the previous day's close made it feel like we were going to reverse off of it. We literally just tapped off of it and are pushing off of it now. Obvious target for me is the top of this trading range. It's basically the range of the first like leg. It happens to be a bear leg, but it's like the first leg. Strong bull bar, maybe enough reason to go long, but still confusing, right? If you really want to go always in long, fortunately you have to wait for like a bull bar that closes up here, which could take too long. Like I might not even take a trade today if I don't see anything clear. Like Al Brooks would essentially say like probably buyers above, right? Seller or buyers below. Like he would say stuff like that. He'll kind of give you like clues. If it's a strong bull bar, he might say buyers above. He basically just kind of tells you where the buyers and sellers would be. Why am I trading micros, pandas? Why am I trading micros? I'm trying to learn limit order trading right now. I'm absolutely trying to learn limit order trading, and the only way to do it is trading. Let me rewind a little bit. I'm trying to learn trading ranges, and the only way to do it is with trading with limit orders. And when you trade with limit orders, pandas, you need to have the widest stops possible. It's like you need to have ultra wide stops. You basically do not have a stop loss. You're basically going to scale in all day. And that's the beauty of trading range days. You can essentially buy anywhere and sell anywhere and basically come out break even at a high probability. But your stop has to be insane. Super wide stop.
$2,500 tick trap.
Ashraf says the reason why I'm on probation is because I'm being a bad boy. The most typos I've ever seen, but we get it. You being a bad boy. And actually he says, cause you be a bad boy. Cause you be a bad boy. Cause you be a bad boy. Alright, I mean, what are we doing here? What's going on here, pandas? Are we getting any price action today? If I was Al, what would Al Brooks do, right? WWABD. What would Al Brooks do? I should make bracelets. WWABD. What would Al Brooks do? Seriously, what would he do here? This is so confusing. We're middle of a trading range currently. I feel like this is already a trading range. You got it down, you got it up. Like we're basically within the first 5-minute candles range still. We failed to close beneath it or above it. Actually, yep, we failed to close beneath it. We closed on it, but not beneath it. Do I have the cojones just to go short up here is the question. I don't. I do not. I need some signs of reversal at the top here. I'm not going to just go short here. That's not my style. I need like a bear bar with a wick here, maybe. Come back in. Maybe a lower high would also be great. If it fails like entry short, makes this look bullish on the 2,500 tick. If it fails like entry short here, right, it makes it A, B, C, but the second entry short triggers above the 20 MA, and now we're bouncing off. And we're also coming off of support here. Could be a decent move up. At least the top of the trading range is what I'm thinking. At least at the top of the trading range is what I'm thinking. If I get another bull bar here, maybe go long. But we still have about 4 minutes on this candle. Long ways to go. Kid Poker, welcome back. Kid Poker has been a long-time follower. How's your poker career going? Do you still play poker? I've been playing poker more and more these days.
2,500 tick trap.
I sure diddly do have been playing WPT. Can I make a code, affiliate code with Club WTP Gold? Let me see. Let me see if I could create an affiliate here. Give you guys a discount. Whoa! Big push down. Very confusing. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Interesting. This is insane. The 2500 fail second entry short does trigger and gets like folded immediately. It's kind of scary. I mean, if we're trading range day, then we could just be floating around the previous day's close all day. I also wouldn't be surprised. Do we have news today? No, we don't have news today. We had news yesterday. We won't have news until 2 weeks from now, essentially. Yeah, we don't have any news till like 2 weeks. We have some news next week, but nothing huge. But the week after that, it's lots of news. FOMC statement, Fed funds rate. Most likely, the Fed funds rate, no change. We've been stuck on these interest rates for so long, and the prices of houses still have not budged. Like, how long can these people hold out for on these incredible interest rates that no one's buying houses right now because it's just making the house payments, your mortgage, is insane. I don't know anyone that can afford these kind of mortgages. Actually, I do know a lot of people. Actually, I don't know anyone who can, but I know people who are doing it. I don't know anyone who can actually afford these mortgages, but they are doing it. Crazy. That's crazy to me. Like, even in my situation, I made over 155K this year already on payouts, and I still have a hard time buying a house. Does that make sense? I don't know. What kind of world do we live in? I have a very hard time still trying to buy a house. Like, it's crazy. Like, I have a house. I want to buy like a bigger house with baby panda. Baby pandas here, and like, we're growing out of this space. So it's just it's crazy, insane,
2500 tick
unbelievable.
trap.
2 legs down, pandas. Second entry long here. It could still be a trading range. It could still do a lot of stuff. I did not expect this huge spike down, but here we are. Pretty much at the previous day's close. Will I find any opportunity here is the question. The tick charts, or rather the extended trading hours, this looks like a trading range right now. Big old trading ranges, right? 2500 tick chart. Look at how much price action there is right here. How many transactions happen in this
2500
area?
tick trap.
It's insane. And we're in it. And look even further back, like all night actually. If just all night, this is what we were in. And we're kind of in the range right now. I really wouldn't care too much about stuff like this happens in the Globex session. But I do care when we're this choppy and we're back in this range. Then I kind of care. Starting to push down. Even yesterday's close, we're basically coming back into this trading range. We had a moment kind of breaking out of it, but we're right back into it. The question is, are we going to keep going down, or are we going to bounce off the bottom of the trading range is the question. I guess we'll find out soon. Crazy. Crazy. What are the chances of having a strong bear trend day today? What are the chances? Probably 10%. Probably 10%, in my opinion. Ashraf says, how do you draw your channel straight? Oh, like straight across like this? It's actually a different tool. It's a trading range tool, and it's not available on I don't think it's available on native. Is it? Let me see. Is it available native? I don't think it's available on the native. Yeah, it's not available on native NinjaTrader. Sorry. If you join our Discord, you can download these indicators. If you join a Discord, on the Discord there is a place where you can download this indicator. It's an indicator that has a
2500
bunch of
tick trap.
tools, right? It has the measure move tool here, which I like. It has this ruler, what tells you how much money everything is. It has obviously this one, the one that you asked for. Also, I think this one. No, this one's another indicator. Let me see. But it does have this one as well. Yeah. The native tools on NinjaTrader, like I feel like they should definitely add this one as a native one. It's kind of stupid they don't. It's kind of really silly. Like I think TradingView is like perfect. Like I wish it was just like TradingView, to be honest. I'm not finding anything here that I like, any opportunity here. If anything, we can have an undershoot here and come back up still. Whoa! Okay. I mean, I was wrong. We did have news today. We had news at 10. It wasn't on the Forest Factory, but we did have news at 10. Something happened at 10 and just like launched this, but we're still stuck in our trading range. So sick. So sick. In fact, the 500 tick chart, we have this channel here, and it's literally just, if I use the tip of this pivot, we're literally on the top. I think I prefer this though. Wow. Very cool. Very cool indeed. This is making me very, very confused. It just looks like a channel like this right now. And another thing about trading micros is like, there's so many days where I'm just like, I don't think I would even be trading today if I wasn't streaming. And trading micros on the 5-minute chart kind of helps me actually do that while still kind of somewhat creating content. After said it was orange, I see. It's orange. I don't pay attention. I only pay attention when it's red. So it does have a big move up. I'm not gonna lie. But quote unquote big move. It's not that big. It's 30-point move. It's 30-point move here. It's not. It's enough to pass any account though, which is nice. Right? If you're trading Apex and you're doing Forbidden Jitsu, it'll make or break your accounts. You would have passed all your not all your you would pass your accounts here. You would be funded right now in Apex, just like I am. So I guess the move was quote unquote big enough to do that. So well, it's actually a second entry long as well in the 5-minute chart, but it's looking wacky. No follow through. I don't know, pandas. Like, well, am I looking for what am I looking for here in a trade, pandas? Like, really? What am I like? What's my even? I'm guessing seller or buyers beneath. There are sellers above, buyers beneath now. I guess, right? We bought at the low here. We broke it by a couple points. Let me see. We broke it by 6 points. Maybe I'll buy here under it. 5 points. I don't know. Wacky. Just watching. I don't. Pandas. There's just not much you can do here. The market's wacky. Like it's just having these like volatile spikes up, but it comes right back down and fall through. It's very scary to trade this market right now. I would just warn you. Just be careful. While we are pushing down here, I'm going to I mean, I guess I could try to buy with limit orders. This is the whole point of micros here. And I'm gonna try to buy at the bottom of the trading range if I can. Are we gonna get there? I have no clue. All I know right now is if you buy anywhere near the bottom here, you would have made a lot of money. If you sold anywhere near the top, you also would have made a lot of money. That's all I know right now. That's all I see. Bottom of the trading range? I'll take it if it gets there. That's where I feel like the bottom of the trading range is. If we were in a trading range. Couldn't quite get there. Just be patient, I guess. We are in a trading range. We could also have this issue, right? Overshoot and undershoot. That could happen as well. It missed my like target by a few ticks, literally. It missed it by one tick, essentially. I might get filled here though, which is why I'm glad I'm staying strong where my target is. If we don't hit it, we don't hit it. I just move on. I just okay. We're in, and I'm gonna have a wide stop here, pandas. We're gonna have a wide stop here. We're gonna scale in. We're trading micros. All right, we broke the previous pivot low here. We got three. We got basically have a wedge here, right? Three pushes down. Make a little bamboo already. Maybe for at least like 10 points, or maybe a leg up. I could be making a big mistake here. I mean, this could be a downtrend day. And trying to scale in downtrend day, it could be a big mistake. But the thing is, why I feel more confident doing this is because even if it's a downtrend day, our pullbacks have been so strong. I feel like I can scale in and at least come out break even if it's a downtrend day. I don't know. In this whole series so far, we've only had one bull bar. We could be bearish. Could be bearish. I'm just noticing we're in a trading range. I see a lot of overlapping bars. I see a lot of big down, big up, big down, big ups. Just feels like the character of a trading range. What can I say? Like, it would Albrook say there's buyers beneath this candle? I don't know. He'd probably say how bearish everything is and might say, like, you know, it could be more sellers beneath. Okay. $10-point move. Not bad. 10-point move, not bad. I like this candle to finish. I can also take my risk off now. I'd like this candle to finish at least.
2500 tick trap.
I like 10 points in the bag. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I want this candle to finish to see it's the character of this candle. If it's a bear bar, I may just get out. The small profit, but it's the fact that it's not showing any signs of reversal here. Okay. All good, whatever. I made $1. I made $1,
2500
pandas.
tick trap.
That's crazy. I made one whole Bambaroony. Baby panda. I really think I gave birth to a real panda. This baby is huge. I don't understand. Why is this baby growing so large? We did like a checkup. The baby is like 99 percentile and everything. I don't understand. 99 percentile in height. Actually, not in everything. Just height. Baby panda is a very tall panda. I guess I could have held it. I just saw the bear bar. I didn't want to stick around and find out. Whatever. I could care less. It's just like I don't care how much I lose. I don't care how much I make either. It's like you're talking about more about pointage. Pointage is more important here. It's about being green. The fact that we got another red bar after, we have basically 7 red bars and 1 green bar. Or 7 bear bars and 1 bull bar. It's just, it feels like this could turn to be bearish. It could be really very, very bearish. I need some two-sided trading. I don't necessarily see two-sided trading right now. I do see a lot of overlap, right? But at the end of the candle, it's mostly bearish. But I want more two-sided. I want something like this: bear bar, bull bar, bear bar, bull bar, bear bar, bull bar, bull bar, bear bar, bull bar, bear bar. It's just alternating, right? I want two-sided trading. We're not getting that here. It's mostly bear bars. Even though these bear bars have huge wicks coming from the bottom to the top of ranges, it's still a lot of bearish bars. So I'm a little worried that this could, for some reason, turn into a strong bear bar. But Daytrader says that's something. You know what? It's better than the other way around, right? At least baby panda's healthy. Like over 99 percentile. That's crazy. Daytrader says, after that stage in life, worst 2 words my kid ever learned: I want. Roblox COD points. I heard Roblox is actually kind of like, it could be a very sus place for kids. I'm not trying to scare you, but this is what I heard. It's like, it's where the predators usually lie around. Hiding behind those Robux. I think it's just good to like be able to monitor and know what your kid's up to when they are on those. I just ordered a bracelet with WWPD on it. What would Panda do? Are you serious? You're lying. Such a liar. Worldwide Police Department. That's what people are gonna think it is. We're up $1, pandas, after our scalp. Our scalpadoo. Yeah, I'm glad I skunked it because look at it, I think I'm correct, right? With so many bear bars, something's up here. I mean, this has potential to really push down. I don't want to FAFO here. And it also said overshoot to undershoot, which is what seems like it's happening. Like I want more two-sided trading. If I'm looking for a trading range, I want like more two-sided trading. I need like some bull bars in here, but I'm not getting any of it. Baby Panda's not having it today. I'm sorry, guys. What would Pablo do? No, the thing is, no one would know what that is. WWPD. Literally, no one would know what that means. Unless like two people somehow meet and they have that same bracelet. That would be crazy. That would be actually crazy if you meet someone. 56 people in this chat right now, and you're talking about billions of people in the world, and you find another person who has that same bracelet. Like you should just marry that person regardless of their sex, gender, or age. You just marry them. It's serendipity at its fullest. Pablo. Welcome, Pablo. Now, let me take that back. I mean, okay, age matters, right? At least age matters a little bit. Let me take that back. Age matters a little bit. Just. I don't wanna. I don't want you guys to think I'm promoting anything else. Anything weird. Big push down, like I said, just a little bit worrisome. It could be a strong downtrend. Lots of bear bars in a row, pandas. At a certain point in time, the bears felt comfortable. Maybe this bar made them feel comfortable. I'm not sure. Not sure, pandas. Maybe I should just jump in short. Maybe pull back to go short. Jump in short here for always in short. It's a little too early. I think we're still like in the gravitational pull here, right? For the overshoot to the undershoot, we can come back up, but we're this far away. Like at this point, you're just looking for a pullback to get in short here, in my opinion. I think Al Brooks would literally have a sell at the bottom of every single one of these bars. And he would have a sell at the top of a bull bar as well. I think that's how Al Brooks would do it, to be honest. Like, just seeing how he does things. Maybe strong bear bar. I don't know. I may just go short here. Strong bear bar. Huh. Still have 2 minutes on this candle, though. I don't know. This is a news bar, and then we broke the bottom of the news bar. We're kind of showing pretty strong signs of bearishness right now. Kind of like a little pop down, like breaking out. It could be exhaustive here. The bears could feel confident, right? Even if it's like it starts to go sideways, they'll just keep going short until they come up break even, or until you know until they hit like a hard stop. Hard stop in this case would be like way up here. That's the issue. This is one leg down. This is one single leg down. And what the bears want is a bear trend. So they want lower highs and lower lows. So the moment we break this high here, we no longer are in that, that pattern. So this is when the pattern breaks. You break this high. Now, if you're trading a trading range, if you break this high, you want to go short actually. So this depends on what your premise is here. So you gotta let this candle finish. It's not looking as strong as it did. Now we may have the case of the overshoot to undershoot situation. This creates a nice reversal bar, but the problem is we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, possibly 10 bear bars. 9 out of the last 10 bars are bear bars. Decently strong ones too. But 3 legs down, 10 bars could be the end of the trend. Am I feeling strongly about... I need a strong bull bar here. With a strong bull bar, I may consider going long. Interesting. I could try. Usually you would wait for a nice strong bull bar, but if it feels like I enter short on the 500 tick chart, makes me interested in going long here. I'm gonna try here. It's actually a good setup on the 500 tick chart. Let me show you what I'm seeing.
2500 tick trap.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I got stopped out. Am I? I don't know why I put my stop loss here. I should have put it beneath this bar. I just felt like it was far enough away that I wouldn't have to worry about it. I could adjust it, but the market's so like spiky. It's literally like spiky. When I say spiky, it's just making these spikes, random spikes everywhere, and it was far enough to take my 25-point stop loss out. I had a stop loss at more than 25 points, and I just thought it was safe. And I was like, it's here, here. What's the difference? But crazy. Crazy, crazy. Wow. You gotta love it. The bear trend continues here. That was absolutely sick. Austin Hare just says, wife and I had a baby boy born yesterday. Baby number 2. Congratulations. I'm honored that The day after your baby was born, you're jumping on stream. I love it. I appreciate that. Right now we're trading micros. So on my accounts, I have two sets of accounts. I have 11 accounts that are basically in payout city and just kind of staying in payout city. We got our third payout. We had our 8 trading days today, and so I'm able to request payout tonight. But the other half of accounts are not in payout city, so we're continuing to trade them. But I'm trading micros for probation. YL, welcome. Let me see. Did I miss anyone? Kevin Harris, good morning. Bub Stocks, welcome. Donald Smith, welcome. Trader's Trick, welcome. Sorry I missed you. I didn't realize. Bonjour. Good morning. Kid Poker says, I asked Kid Poker, how's his poker career been going? He says better than trading. Jeez. All right. I mean, I've seen enough here. I've absolutely seen enough here. Uh-oh. Outside bar reversal. I mean, we got, at this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the last 11 bars being just bare bars. We're just jumping in anywhere now to go short. Maybe I came at the end, right, with this outside bar reversal. This outside bar reversal could be signs of reversal. And that's a beautiful thing about micros. It's very stress-free trading. Though I think it's in a trading range still. The thing is, it's in a downtrend, but it's like choppy. It's like going down in a way. It's just kind of like I don't know. And it's every single bar is a bear bar so far. I think I feel pretty safe until one of these bars is a strong bull bar. Then I feel like maybe I should not go short anymore. Every pullback has been small, making lower highs, lower lows. Making a little bamboo here, at least. Just let this candle finish. Pretty decent strong bear bar here. Let the candle finish, maybe? A little hairy right now.
Target filled.
I'll take that, whatever. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I mean, it was like a, 15-point move? 20-point move, I'll take it. 20-point move, that's incredible. Our ATR is basically 20, it's like 24 right now, our ATR. Not too shabby, if you ask me. It's a nice scalp, too. I just jumped in and scalped it. At this like late in trend, you're looking for scalps, in my opinion. Unless we get a deep pullback, another push down, like you're kind of looking for scalps. YL says you should trade on micros and then copy the trades to minis. You know, I see what you're trying to say, but another reason why I'm trading micros is because I'm having wide stops. I want to start learning how to trade trading ranges, and in order to trade trading ranges, you need wide stops. So this is kind of like a double thing, you know, like not only is it stress free, it's also like I'm learning to trade trading ranges and with limit orders. Right now, it's just like always in short. It just happens to be the 2 days where I decided to trade with limit orders. Actually, today it's not even that good. I ended up taking like pretty good, value here, honestly. Almost to the bottom of this move now. Before kind of a large reversal. I mean, it could come back down to this level easily. I mean, this is another bear bar. That's so many bear bars today. Literally only one bull bar today. But even that's the case, there's a lot of chop still. It's kind of weird. It's like a lot of bear bars, but a lot of chop. It's confusing. It's a bear trend that's choppy. It's a bear trend that's like somewhat wide channel, I guess.
2500 tick trap.
It's a good change of pace. I honestly, the last couple weeks have been such bad trading, like bad price action, and that in itself is like not an excuse to trade poorly, but it definitely is right. Like it definitely is like a factor, and because the price action has been so terrible the last 3 weeks, I think it's a good change of pace to trade micros here. Like I've told myself I really wouldn't do it. But I'm essentially in a place right now where I'm just focusing on my payouts. And I'm getting that one good scalp per day. And I'm getting my payouts. And then now, after these payouts, I may just trade all my accounts normally. I think my probation will last until my payouts get approved. That's what I want. I want my payouts to get approved. And then so I can get some good bamboo here. Should bears be scared at all? Literally no bull bars except this one way up here early on. Should bears be scared at all to sell? Keep selling? I don't know. I don't think so. I feel like the answer is no. Until you start getting like solid bull bars, the bears are in full control here. Kind of crazy. Panda, why don't you try MFFU? It's trash. I mean TPT. To me, there's no reason for me to try anything else. MFFU. I mean, just listen to it. MFFU. Like that's an acronym. Like it's just an acronym in itself to not try it. You can guess what the acronym is. Let me see. The first word is mother. MFFU. The first word is mother. You don't want to be. You don't want to be trading a prop firm that has an acronym like that. I'm just kidding. Honestly, like TPT, I'm so satisfied with TPT and Apex right now. Like I don't know why, unless something is clearly better than TPT. I don't think I'm even like it's even worth even trying. Let's just trade TPT then. Like for me, like if when it comes to prop firms, just trade the best ones. He's funded under FX version. I see. What's your experience like with MFFU? Futures are the future. The futures are crazy. I'm telling you, like there's nothing like it right now. It's like it's just became so popular. The prop firm space is insane. MFFU is easier to get first payout than any other firms, in my opinion. Okay, tell me why. Tell me why. Your time to sell it. Go ahead. Do it. Try. Try to convince me. Why is it so easy? Do they have consistency rules? Do they have zero consistency rules? MFFU says no buffer needed and only 5 days of profits required for payout. Not bad. Is there any consistency rules though? Are they just looking for 5 days of profits? Is that the only rule they have? YL. WTF is a signal bar. Don't. Who cares about signal bars? It's a strong bull bar. Al Brooks will probably say sellers above. Such a strong trend down. Probably sellers above. He also will count this being 2 legs and 10 bars. So you can say maybe the bears will start taking their profits here. He'd probably
2500
be a
tick
little
trap.
hesitant. I mean, those are a couple things that he mentions. He talks about. Right, this is 2 legs, 10 bars. He actually has an acronym for that, like TLTB or something. 2 legs, 10 bars. TLTB. He would write that because after 10 bars on the 5-minute chart, traders typically take their profits. Self-setter says on Apex, if they ask you to go live, you can't go back to evals PA counts? Question mark. I think you can. I don't know what the rules are recently, but I think you can. Actually, that's one reason why I didn't go live. When they asked me to go live, I said no. Like, just let me stay doing this because this is way better. Whenever they tell you to go live, it's quite an honor. But when it comes to benefits, there's no benefit to it. It's actually less benefits going live. It might feel like whoa, like this is the next step of prop firm trading being live. But the truth is that you're actually hurting yourself because you're taking away so many benefits by going live. You're taking the ability to purchase more accounts, right? To have this incredible margins when it comes to trading. Like you take away a
2500
lot,
tick trap.
and you're also probably gonna have a 90-10 split at that point. Whereas here you have 100%. You keep 100% of your profits up to 25K, right? Isn't that the rule? Sellers above. Small pullback here maybe. But profit taking maybe here as well. Maybe second entry short. Does Apex have live accounts? Yeah, they do. Hugh! Whoa! Yo, everyone say hi to Hugh. Hugh is back. Goodness gracious. Hughes, good to have you back. Is Albrook still alive? Yeah, this one's for a while here. You didn't wait for the signal bar, duh. Welcome back, Hugh. Is Albrook still alive? Only in our hearts. And also on Earth. Okay, small pullback, sellers above. Hugh, goodness gracious, what brings you here? Is it a holiday? What brings you here today? Are you able to work from home? Second just short on the higher time frames. Interesting. It's an OI pattern breaking to the upside. Not much follow
2500
through
tick
yet.
trap.
We'll see. You should go to the dentist every day. You get a dental appointment. That's why you're joining stream. Every tooth needs to be examined every single day. 1 tooth a day. Come on. Man, Hugh, I wish you could be trading. It's been fun. While you were gone, we've made like so much bamboo. I'm not saying it's because you left. We were making so much bamboo, but when you left, like the price I don't know what it is. Actually, the price action wasn't even that good. To be honest, the price action was not even that good. But a lot of stuff was happening on this channel, at least. Goodness gracious. What would Al Brooks do here? I have no clue. Two bull bars in a row. On a downtrend, though. It's not strong bull bars. But this is the most bull bars we've had in a row. But this bull bar can't even close above this high. It is two bull bars in a row, though. Pans, I don't know what to do here. Sorry. I just truly don't. He says congrats out. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, push up. Pandas, make sure you guys scalp that like button. It's Friday. 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 Going completely sideways. Huh. Completely sideways here. 3 overlapping bars in a row. I don't know. I'll try something cheeky here, I guess. To be honest, it's confusing. Is it even worth going short here in this micro trading range? I don't think so. I don't know, Panis.
2500 tick trap.
What do we do here, Pandas? What do we do here? Completely sideways. Going completely sideways now. Do I sell above here is a question. At least it's 20 EMA, right? You want to at least come back to the 20 EMA before you start to go short again, in my opinion. In my opinion. He says, I've recently taken up golf. It's a lot like trading. 98% terrible shots, but you get that one good shot that makes you come back. Keep coming back? Absolutely. Golf is fun. Been dabbling in pickleball. I don't know what I'm doing in that space, but these young guns, whoo, they're good. They're good, they're athletic, and they're good. But they lack patience. And they lack finesse. But so do I. So it doesn't even matter. Pickleball, goodness gracious. It's fun though. I don't know why. I don't know what it is, but the P ball, the P ball community, they're like really like I don't know, really nice. Ashraf says now we know why Pat golfs as well. Are you trying to say he has 98% losers? And it's just that 1-2% he wins sometimes. Okay, right after 10 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually went down to all to 11, 12 bars here, and people are taking profits, right? Bears taking profits here. The question is, are we returning to a big trading range here, or we're gonna keep pushing down? That's $1 million question, in my opinion. It's quite a strong push up. You got two bull bars here. For me, it wasn't enough evidence for me to go long because we didn't close above these highs. But what ended up happening is we got this OI pattern here that's looking for a one-to-one, in my opinion. I believe this is what's causing this move up. We got a one-to-one here on this OI pattern. And it pretty much coincides with the 20 EMA here. So, I feel like that is the reason why this bull bar was created. Where they said, okay, bull bar good enough for us, just go long here. Even limit orders down here, still buying it up. Pushing up, now strong bull bar, ending on its high. Barely follow through, but you're thinking it's going to try to touch the one-to-one. At least the 20 EMA, in my opinion. But that's just what I think. It could just be a first entry, right? We continue our first entry shorts as well. This is like a very confusing spot to trade. A lot of things kind of conflicting each other. A lot of conflicting trade ideas here. Okay, especially after the strong bull bar, no follow through is kind of sus for the bulls, in my opinion. A little bit sus. All right, I'm gonna let this candle finish, and I think I'm gonna close the stream. I want you guys to enjoy your weekend. Pandas, I'll give you guys updates as I request payouts on $30,000 for 11 accounts, and it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be it's nice bamboo, and that's another reason why I was trading so aggressive on my other accounts, because like I saw the 30K around the corner. So I mean another 30K today. Like even if I only requested 30K per month, not too shabby, pandas. Like even 30K, like sorry, it's not even 30K, but it's 60K a month, right? Because you can do two payouts per month, right? If I do like 60K per month, that's like over $500,000 a year, right? It's $720,000 a year, almost $1 million. Even if I could request 60K a month. So the only problem is it's kind of difficult to get 60K a month. It's like it's hard. It's not easy. I basically got to make $27.50 per every 8 days. Every single 8 days, I need to make $27.50. I cannot ever be negative if I want to do max payouts every single time. I need to be $27.50. Like I can be negative on a day, but I cannot be negative on any 8 days. And that's not an easy feat. Every single time I've been doing it, right? I've been doing it so far on these accounts for now we're on a third payout, which means at least bare minimum 24 trading days. So I can tell you exactly how many trading days I have. These These accounts are ancient, essentially. How old are these accounts? Oh goodness, Apex makes you do a two-step authentication, two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication. All right, all right, all right. I get it. You want to be cool. You want to be cool. I get it. All right. 43 trading days these have been alive for. 43 trading days. That's absolutely crazy. 43 trading days, pandas? That's pretty long. And on those 43 days, we've been getting max payouts. 43, that's like two and a half, more than two and a half, like, it's about 2 months old. More than 2 months old because we have holidays. Gotta consider the holidays. It's like 2 months old. It's
2,500 tick
Kiko
trap.
says if you build a 20K cushion on the accounts, you'll be taking payouts and trading stress free for the whole year. You just need to stay disciplined and delay gratification until 20K cushion per account. I don't know if I agree with that. I mean, with a 20K cushion, you still have to consider the 30%. Okay, let's just say, like, you get there 30%. You don't have to worry about the 30% consistency rule. You just get there over time for a long time. In my opinion, like, you're taking away, bamboo that you could be securing. I mean, I've made 20K on accounts before. I have been up there. And trust me, you can still bust them because once you withdraw the money, then it's like you're no longer 20K. You're, I guess, 18 or 17K at that point. But you still need to make up the money. Eventually, it's gonna drain down. Of course, 20K helps, and I think even JCap, he had a 20K cushion. He didn't feel comfortable, I guess, trading until he made 20K cushion, and then that's when he started to start trading. I think probably made a lot of bamboo on like a couple days. But he also, with the 20K cushion, his goal was not to start withdrawing with 20K. His goal was, to start withdrawing at 100K, and I think by doing that, he essentially was using that
2,500 tick
20K
trap.
cushion, and not really caring about the consistency rules. So, I mean, I could trade like that, but to be honest, the price action these days, we'll just say he's talking about a cushion. Yeah, the 20K cushion, like basically making 20,000. I'm up like 10,000. I've been up like 12,000 on these accounts, 13,000. I just don't agree that you would be trading stress free per se. I maybe you can. Maybe I'm thinking about it wrong. I don't know. You tell me, pandas. If I had a 20K cushion, would it be stress free? I still would need to make bamboo. $50 or more per day, I guess. But then how much do you risk per day? $200 per day? You risk $200 per day to make $50 a day, or do you risk $50 a day to make 50? Like, that's literally 2.5 points on one contract. It's like, it's such. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking about it all wrong. You can correct me if I'm wrong. It's food for thought. It's Kiko. Maybe I dismissed it too soon. 20K cushion would be nice. I guess the issue is, can you make 20K? That's the hard part, to make 20K. Obviously. But I'm pretty happy here. I think my goal right now is to get these bottom accounts up to payouts. We're up 700 on them. Not too shabby. It's not the worst. It's pretty good. It's only been 2 days of trading, so being up 700 is not too bad. We got to get them all the way up to 5,000 though, but Slow and steady wins the race for me right now. Just because the price action has been so terrible these last couple weeks, and it still continues to be pretty terrible. Look at the 500 tick chart; it's just like untradeable right now. Um, so because of that, I'm not going to be as aggressive. You got to pick and choose the days you'll be aggressive on, and today's not like one of those days, in my opinion. Lots of overlapping bars, but you have some credence to go short here. Some credence to go short here. Let me put the trading range indicator up on this. So I got a trading range indicator now. Interesting. I had my hand drawn one here, my trading range. The trading range indicator says no. The trading range is actually all the way down here, which is pretty cool because it was more accurate than me drawing it. Very cool. Now we adjusted because we made so many lows here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm young, black, and rich. I, I'm young, black, and white, and rich. I'm a panda because I'm black and white. So, I don't know. Panda's like that song is so catchy. If you haven't heard it yet, it's like basically like search aura farming boat, like boat kid, or boat kid aura, something like that, and you'll see it. You'll see the clip. It's like it's gone viral. If you haven't seen it already, then you're probably not addicted to YouTube shorts and stuff, which is good. Don't get into it. It's such a waste of time. Complete waste of time. Mr. Pushup says he accidentally made 20K. I've accidentally made 20K on these accounts or on stream as well. It was like one of those like I was trying to lose money. Like I was trying to lose money and I just couldn't lose money. It was crazy. Every trade I was just winning. I was like, I'm trying to lose. I just couldn't stop winning, and my accounts were up to $20,000. Pandas, it was crazy. Also here says no such thing as stress free unless you're a billionaire on micros. A billionaire on micros. I don't agree with that. It's pretty stress free for me right now. I'm not a billionaire. I'm basically like if you think about it, trading one micro with 150K accounts, right? You have $5,000 in margin. It's like trading one contract, one mini with $50,000 as margin, as buffer. That's a lot. A lot. That's a lot. It's you know, a good rule of thumb and pretty conservative is one mini per every $10,000. That is the typical. One mini, you should have about $10,000. So even with the highest account at 300K, you don't even have the margins enough to trade one mini, right? Because the biggest account is a 300K account, and your margins are basically $6,500, 6,500, and it's not even enough to trade one E-mini like conservatively. And here I am trading the 150K accounts with 4 contracts, and then you wonder why do you bust your accounts? Well, it's obvious we're trading too large for these accounts. It's like I mean it is, but it's because we're streaming plus we're trading prop firms. Big difference, pandas. Big difference. If I was trading my own money and I only have $5,000, I probably just trade micros, especially if I wasn't streaming. If I had 5K, like I'll say minimum you need is $10,000 to start with futures, so you can comfortably trade one contract. I think if I ever traded live, like with my own money, I'd probably have a 100K account. I would have a 100K account and try to trade that comfortably. Like, and I'll trade only one contract and scale up to 10 max. Like, I'll scale to 10 max. Like, I wouldn't just trade 10 contracts every single trade. I think I'll trade one contract and scale it up to 10. Right? Especially when you're on one of those days like yesterday. If you traded like yesterday, you just kept scaling in, right? Just buy here. You probably wouldn't buy here. After this, you buy. This is why I bought here, right? Two strong bull bars. I bought here. I bought here at the close of this bar. I also buy here at the close of this bar. And I bought here basically at the break of the first pullback. And I probably would have bought more here if I, had more time to trade. You buy more here, you buy more here. And you wait for this because you didn't break this high. You got a second entry long, you can buy the second entry long here. Boom, 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 boom. You can buy here. You can even buy here if you're willing to buy again somewhere down here to come up break even, essentially, right? This you got a 50% retracement here. Basically, right, you got like 50% retracement somewhere in the middle, right? If you bought here, let's say 50% retracement, if you bought here, you would have got out break even right here. Oh, we're finally getting pushed down. Am I looking for that short here? You know what? Let's just try, right? Let's just try. No problem getting filled. Let's just try. Mini trading range here. Lots of overlap. Big push down. It's basically second entry long-ish. We'll make some bamboo here. See if we can get it. We'll just try. And if we lose this trade, who cares? We're trading micros. Goodness gracious. Young, black, and rich. I'm young, black, and white, and rich. Shall this candle finish? Shall this candle finish?
Target filled.
I mean, I'll take it, whatever. I mean, not too shabby. 10-point scalp. I'll take it. Not much risk. All right, pandas. I think we're ending here. Pandas. Was that low one entry? Yeah, essentially. But if you look at it, it looks like a second entry long. Right? A, B. Sorry, a second entry short. C. Right? It looks like a second entry short triggering here with this break here. It looks like it, right? A, B, C. It kind of looks like it, in my opinion. You can even say A, B, C. You can even say this. It looks like a second entry short. It technically is a first entry, but it's because we didn't break a previous candle's low, but it has the motions of a pullback here, right? So you have this first push up, then this small pullback here, red bar, and another push up. That's why I feel comfortable there. Plus strong downtrend, looking for some follow through. Right, this is basically the first actual pullback on this strong downtrend here. You could even adjust this channel still to fit all of this price action. Hugh says, good to see you doing well, Panda. Every time I check in, you're doing better than before. God bless. And that's the plan, right, Pandas? We're getting better every single day. It's like sometimes a crawl. Sometimes one step forward, two steps back. But Pandas, the overall trajectory is up. Positive. Like, this year, it's amazing to think that we already are going to request 185K essentially, right? 185K in just 2 months. Tell me in any, like, are you making basically 200K? Are you basically making 100K a month? Any of you guys? I don't know. I'm definitely not in any of my jobs. But I just feel like this right here, this, like, soon, Pandas, and this is what I'm waiting for. Next year, by next year, I'm telling you this right now, I'm calling it. This is gonna be considered to be small amount of money. By this time next year, this is gonna be considered to me easy money. Like, 100K a month? That's it. That's all I'm doing, right? That's kind of it's gonna be like that next year. I'm calling it right now, and we're gonna be in a place where by
2500 tick
next
trap.
year, this is gonna be nothing, right? This is gonna be nothing. Pandas! Thanks for joining. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have an amazing weekend, everyone, and I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. I can't wait to see you guys. I really can't wait. I love trading with this community. It's the best. Pandas! I'll see you guys then. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.
2500 tick trap.